Should be chilling. Come on, come on. Ah! Do not gift and I'll play your cool side. Stop. Stop gifting me when I'm playing. Oh, it's not even funny. It's not even funny. Every single time y'all gift, it literally covers my whole entire screen. It's not funny. Y'all better stop right now. Ah! Ah! Yo, I said stop gifting me. Yo, come on. Stop. Do not gift and I'm playing. Yo, do not gift and I'm playing. We are so close to beating this world record. If I can beat this right now, we are going to be all over the news. Oh my God. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Yo, do not want to miss out on. The last time this happened was 3 years ago. Please. Please. I cannot afford to lose right now. Yo, come on. Come on. Yo, if I can beat this world record, we are going to be all over the news. Red light. Stop with the roses. Please. Go. Red. Oh my God, I cannot see the bird. I might lose right now. Please. Stop gifting me when I'm playing. Oh, it's not even funny. Please. These gifts, they literally cover up my whole entire screen. Stop. I am trying to beat the world. Casey Blow. Stop with the spider webs. Please. Ah. God. Red. I cannot see the bird. I cannot see the bird. I might lose right now. No. No. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yo. I just simply cannot lose right now. I just simply cannot lose right now. Come on. Come on. Stop with the caps. These caps, they literally cover up my whole entire screen. It's not even funny. Oh, thank God. The last time I played this game, somebody threw a gift a disco ball, and he made me lose. He made me lose. It's not funny. Y'all better not do that in this stream. Come on! If I can beat this world record, y'all, listen to me for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, y'all. If I can beat this world record, I will literally be all over the news. So I will literally be all over the news. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Y'all do not want to miss out on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yo, this ain't funny. This ain't funny at this point, y'all. Come on. We are trying to beat this world record. Come on. I just simply cannot lose right now. I just simply cannot lose. Yo, come on. Yo, thank God. Thank God. I think I should be chilling. As long as you guys do not get that, I should be chilling. I should be chilling around. Come on, come on, come on. Yo, we are going for the world record. If I can beat this, we are going to be all over the news. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Y'all do not want to miss out on. The last time this happened was 3 years ago, y'all. This only happens once every 3 years. The last time somebody beat the world record on Floppy was 3 years ago. Jeffrey! Stop with the caps. That's not even funny. It literally covers up my whole entire screen. I cannot see the bird with these caps in my way. Y'all better stop. Y'all better stop at this point. It's not funny. It's not even funny. Y'all better stop at this point, y'all. Come on. Come on. Yo, thank God. Thank God. Ah, stop with the hand hearts. Please. Please. Ah. Yo, we should be chilling. Ah, Jamal, stop with the caps. Please. Yo, this is not funny whatsoever, y'all. These caps literally cover my whole entire screen. Jerry Zizzy, come on. Come on. Yo, as long as you guys do not gift, I should be telling y'all right now, come on, come on. The gifts that y'all gifted, they literally cover my whole entire screen. It's not even funny. We are trying to beat this world record. Come on, come on. Jeffrey! Stop! Evan! Stop with the caps! Stop with the confettis! These gifts, they literally cover up my whole entire screen. It's not even funny. It's not even funny. We are trying to beat this world record. Y'all better stop right now. Y'all better stop right now. Bow! Bow! Stop with the witches' hats, please. We are trying to beat this world record. Y'all, come on. Come on. Please. Yo, there we go. There we go. I think I should be telling. As long as you guys do not get that, I should be telling. Yo, we are going for the world record. The last time somebody beat the world record was 3 years ago. Yo, come on, come on, come on. Yo, come on. Stop with the caps. Yo, I cannot see anything on my screen with the caps in my way. Yo, come on. How am I supposed to see the bird with these caps in my way? It's not even funny. It's not even funny. Yo, we are going for the world record. Come on. Come on! I just simply cannot lose right now. I just simply cannot lose right now. Come on. Come on! Yo, we simply gotta stay focused on right now. Jeffrey! Stop the fireworks! Please! God! Red! I cannot see the bird. Oh my god! I'm on the roof right now. God! Red! Yo, I cannot see the bird. Oh my god! I'm on the roof right now. Oh, thank god I said myself. Jeffrey! Stop with the fireworks, y'all. This is not funny whatsoever, y'all. I am trying to beat this world record. Come on. Bubble, stop defeat this fire fly traps. Please! Please! Yo, let me beat this world record. Yo, we are so close. Come on. Come on. Jeffrey! Stop with the caps! I am trying to beat this world record, yo. If I can beat this, we are gonna be all over the news. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Yo, do not want to miss out. The last time this happened was 3 years ago. Please! Yo, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Jeffrey! Stop with the caps, come on. I cannot play like this, y'all. Do not cap. Stop. Yo, do not give up, yo, please. Stop the caps, please. They cover up my whole entire screen, yo. I cannot play with these caps on my way. These caps, they literally cover my whole entire screen. I am going for the world record, yo. Jeffrey! Stop! Stop with the caps, y'all. It's not even funny. It's not even funny, y'all. I am going for the world record. Please! Please! Yo, I cannot play like this, so come on. Come on. Yo, we simply gotta stay focused on. Please. Please. Yo, if I can beat this world record, I will literally be all over the news. As long as you guys do not get that shit me chilling. Cause there is this type of gift. It literally covers my whole entire screen. And I cannot see the bird with these gifts in my way. It's not even funny. Y'all better stop. Stop! Gifting me when I'm playing, yo, we are so close to beating this world record. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Stop with the caps! These caps, they literally cover my whole entire screen. It's not even funny. Please! Please! Stop! I cannot play like this, y'all. Come on. Listen to me for at least 1 minute, y'all. Stop! Yo, the last time I played this game, somebody threw a gift at a disco ball, and it covered my whole entire screen, and I lost! I lost! It's not funny! I just simply cannot play like that, y'all. I cannot play like that. It's not even funny. Stop! Stop! We are going for the world record right now, y'all. If I can beat this world record, we are gonna be all over the news. Please! Please! Yo! No way! I might beat this world record right now. I might beat this world record right now. Please! Oh my god! Oh my god! As long as you guys do not get that shit, be chill. Cause every single time, y'all listen to this book, it comes to my whole face. Please! The last time I played this game, somebody threw a gift, a disco ball, and it covered my whole screen. And I lost! I lost! Yo, I simply cannot play like this right now. Please! Please! Yo, stop her! Stop with the confettis! Please! No! Dude! I cannot see the bird. I cannot see the bird. Please! Yo, I cannot play like this, y'all. These caps, they literally cover my entire screen. Please! I'm on loose right now. I'm on loose right now. The last time I played this game, somebody threw a gift, a disco ball, and I lost right there. Cause it covered my whole entire screen. Please! We are trying to beat this world record. Just do not get that I'm playing. Every single time y'all lose that disco gift, it covers my whole entire screen. Please! Yo, we are so close to beating this world record. If I can beat this right now, we are gonna be all over the news. Come on! Yo, no way, no way. Carter, stop with the roses. Please! Yo, matter of fact, if I lose right now, I will literally do a face reveal. If I lose right now, I will do a face reveal, yo. Come on! Please! Do not give that I'm playing, yo. Do not give that I'm playing. Do not give that I'm playing. Every single time, yo, let me send this go magical gift. Oh my god, come on. Stop that! Stop the fireworks! No! Come on! I cannot see the bird. Oh my god, I'm out right now. Where's the bird? Oh my god, thank god. I saved myself right there. Stop! Do not get those fireworks again. Y'all better stop right now, it's not funny. Y'all better stop with the fireworks, cause it's not funny. They literally cover my whole entire screen. Please! We are so close to beating this world record. If I can beat this, we are going to be all over the news. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Do not want to miss out. Please! Yo, no way. Oh my god. We might beat this right now. We are so close. Come on. Stop the cops. Please. Stop gifting me those cops, y'all. They literally cover my whole screen. Please. The last time I played this game, somebody threw a gift and I disco ball. And those disco balls, y'all, they always make me lose. It pisses me off. Those disco balls. I literally cannot see the screen with those disco balls in my way, y'all. Yo, stop gifting me when I play. Yo, come on. Yo, we are so close to beating this world record. If I can beat this right now, we are gonna be all over the news. Come on. Stop the spider webs, please. Yo, I was on the low for a second, so that spider web kind of made me almost lose. Come on. It made me almost lose. Come on. It almost made me lose. Come on. I simply cannot focus around like this. Come on. We simply gotta stay focused up. Come on. No. Stop the cops. Please. I cannot see the bird. I might lose right now. Stop. Oh my god. Yo, I cannot play like this. Y'all better stop gifting me right now. Come on. Tyson! Stop! Yo, thank god. Oh, I think I should be telling y'all for real. Y'all can mess me up. I should be... Stop, man! Stop! No! Oh my god! Stop the disco balls! Please! No! I'm out right now! Please! Oh, thank god. Oh my god, no way! I can actually save myself from the disco ball! Do not do that again! Those disco balls, they literally cover my whole screen, and I cannot see the bird with those gifts on my way. Stop! How am I supposed to play this bird? How am I supposed to play this game without seeing the bird? Come on! Yo, we are so close to beating this world record. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Y'all do not want to miss out on. Come on. The last time this happened was 3 years ago, y'all. Y'all do not want to miss out. Y'all better scream record right now. Because if I beat this world record, we are going to make history. You guys are about to witness history right now. Come on. Stop with the caps. These caps, they literally cover up my whole entire screen. Tyson! Stop with the barricades! They cover up my whole entire screen, y'all. Y'all better stop gifting me right now. It's not acceptable. As long as you guys do not gift, I should be telling. Come on. Please! Yo, we simply gotta stay focused up. Come on. Yo, we are so close to beating this world. Stop the bird. Please. No. Where's the bird? Oh my god. Oh, thank god. I found the bird, y'all. These gates that y'all sent, they literally cover up my whole entire screen. I cannot play like this. Stop with the caps. Yo, these caps, they cover my entire screen. These whole gifts, they literally cover my entire screen. The last time I played this game, somebody threw a gift at a disco ball, and it covered my entire screen, and I lost. It's not even funny. We are going for the world record, y'all. If I can beat this, you guys are about to witness history. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Y'all do not want to miss out on. Come on. Come on. Gang. Stop. Stop the paper cuts. Please. We are so close, y'all. Let me at least get a 1,000. Come on. Yo, once we get to 1,000, we are going for the world record, y'all. Come on. Please. No. Stop the cops. Please. Yo, no. I'm out right now. Yo, I cannot see the bird with these gifts on my way because they cover up my whole whole entire screen. Come on. Yo, oh my god. As long as y'all don't send those disco balls, or galaxies, or Ferris wheels, I should be chilling, because they literally cover up my whole entire screen. Top to bottom. Yo, that is like an automatic loss right there. I just simply cannot afford one of those right now. Come on! Stop! Man! They literally cover up my whole entire screen, y'all. Yo, I cannot even see my score. My man, come on! Let me at least get a 1,000, yo. We're at 964, come on! Please! The last time I played this game, somebody threw a gift, a disco ball, and he made me lose right before I hit a 1,000. Right before I hit a 1,000. It's not funny. It's not funny. Y'all better stop right now. Y'all better stop with the galaxies. Please. No. I'm my computer is getting laggy. Jesse, stop with the galaxies. Please. No. I cannot see the bird. Red. Victoria, stop with the Venus flashlights. Please. No. If y'all said one more galaxy, my computer is getting too laggy. I'm gonna lose right now. Stop. We are trying to beat this world record. Come on, let's go, please. Yo, we are going to beat this world record. Come on. Stop the trains. We are not going to beat this world record. Come on. We are so close. If I can beat this right now, we are going to be all over the news. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity to do no one mess up. The last of this out 3 years ago. Please. Yo, we are over 1,000. We are going for the world record. As long as you guys don't give that should be on. Because every time y'all give, it comes out with the screen. Man, you got 117. Still the money comes. Please. It's not funny, y'all. Y'all better stop gifting me right now. Yo, we should be telling. Stop with the money plans. All we gotta get is 1,137 to beat this world record. We are so close. We are so close. Oh my god. As long as you guys do not give that should be telling. The world record is 1,137. Come on. As long as you guys do not give that should be telling. No. Stop the money. Please. No. Oh, thank God. I should be telling. Oh, thank God. Y'all really thought y'all could make me lose. Guess what? I'm just too nasty. Stop with the Ferris wheels. No. Yo, I literally. Yo, oh my God. Nasty. Stop. You better stop with that Ferris wheels. They cover up my whole screen. All we gotta get is 1,137 to beat this world record. Make sure y'all hit that follow button right now on that top left corner and turn on bell notifications on my profile so you can be notified every single time I go live. Y'all hit that follow button on the top left corner right now, y'all. We are going to beat this world record as long as you guys do not give that should be telling. Come on! Yo, I think I should be telling. All we gotta get is 1,137. 1,137, yo. No, I said stop gifting. Come on. The last time I played this game, somebody gifted way too much. He made me lose. It's not funny. Yo, no way. Oh my god, yo. Oh my god. I always lose at this part whenever someone gives, y'all. It's not funny, because I get way too nervous. Y'all. Please. Yo, let's go. No way. I might actually beat this world record right now. Yo, let me at least hit a 1,120. Come on. Please. Let's go. No way. Let's go. so close to beating this world record. Yo, for the people who are saying that this is a loop, this is not a loop. Look at the time. Look at the time. It is 10:33 p.m. Central Time. 10:33 p.m. Central Time, y'all. It's not funny. It is January 28th, 2022. It's not a loop. My username on TikTok is Tang.OG. Tang.OG. It's not funny. Y'all, stop calling me Jamal in the chat. Oh my God. That's not my name. That's not my name. Y'all, I said stop. Y'all better stop right now. It's not funny. Stop calling me Jamal in the chat right now. That is not my name. Y'all, I literally lost right before I was about to beat the world record. It's not funny. It's not funny. Why would y'all do this? Why would y'all do this? Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot believe I lost like that. I cannot believe I lost like that. Simple as that. Simple as that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! How did I just lose like that? How did I just lose like that? Why did my computer shut down, yo? This is not funny. This is not funny. Should I play one more round? Should I play one more? Oh my God! Yo, matter of fact, I will be live later today. Possibly later today, but definitely tomorrow, 100%. You know what? Whoever follows me within the next 10 seconds, I will follow you back right now. I will follow you back right now. Y'all better follow me within 10 seconds, and I will follow you back right now. Right now. But y'all gotta follow me back within 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh my God. Elizabeth! You just got that follow back right now. You just got that follow back. Oh my God. How did my computer just shut down like that? We were so close to beating that world record. Oh my God. I just can't play like this. Matter of fact, y'all, I will be back possibly later today, but definitely tomorrow. So make sure you hit that follow button, and I will be playing Flappy Bird again. I will be playing Flappy Bird again. As long as you guys do not gift, I should be chilling. As long as you guys do not gift, I should be chilling. Yo, hit that follow button on the top left corner and turn on bell notifications on my profile. Just swipe right. Come on. Swipe left, and y'all can turn on bell notifications on my profile. Come on. Come on. Yo. When y'all turn on bell notifications, y'all can be notified every single time I go live. Why would y'all make my computer shut down? Y'all know that my computer is connected to my TikTok live stream. Why would y'all do this? Why would y'all do this? Yo, this is not funny whatsoever. Why? Explain. Explain right now. Oh my God. Yo. I'm gonna be live possibly later today, but 100% tomorrow. Y'all better not gift when you're on my live from next time. So make sure y'all follow and hit that bell notification so y'all can be notified every single